my brother John, and we're gonna make what left in the fridge shake. So, you got any words before we start, John?
First, you take the ice and you dump it in the water.
Just take some turkey.
This is an old family tradition dill sauce that I like to just, we usually just put a teaspoon, but I just do that.
Oh, that's gonna have so much sodium, you guys.
Then you take
Turkey.
turkey, and what do you need with turkey is ketchup. You take the ketchup, and first it's not open yet. First you have to open it. And make sure it tastes alright.
Are you gonna taste the mustard?
Wait a minute.
Delicious.
And you can't have ketchup without mustard. So I guess I'll have to try this.
That was delicious.
So, fill it up.
Next up is syrup.
Hi.
Ariel's looking at y'all like y'all are crazy.
Extra syrup.
She's like, that looks like it might be delicious.
Next. Let me open this fork. Relish.
Are y'all only gonna put one dose of Pepto in it?
I don't know. And this was in the fridge, so it had to go.
Pepto-Bismol. No, this is actually a smart idea because we're drinking all this bullshit, and then Pepto-Bismol.
Coat your tummy.
And whoever spits it out or throws up has to jump in
And
the
it tastes
bowl
good.
with their clothes on.
Just put a small dosing in it.
You're gonna kill yourself.
No, we're not. You can drink the whole bottle if you want.
And the peach yogurt I picked up today for 41 cents. Open it up and get all that cream in there. It's okay if you miss.
Next up is grape jam.
Are you gonna let it do anything? And last but not least, some cream soda.
Oh, and I forgot hot sauce.
Oh yeah, the hot sauce. We'll have
This
to
might
have hot
actually be
sauce.
delicious. You never know.
I think
So-
do it.
It's in that bag unless you got some. Oh, some Cheetos too?
Cheetos.
Cheetos goes with anything.
Just a couple. And then bull sauce, which I love.
I'm gonna mix it up.
Heartburn Central.
Ready? Not yet? They want me to take the lid off and okay.
Ugh.
And
Is
that
this done?
ready?
One more time.
You gonna take the lid off?
No, I just wanted to.
There's something black like running down the side of it.
It's missing! Hide. You hide?
Alright.
And we're gonna use
We just had Chick-fil-A.
yeah, just open over here when it's the first time I ever had it.
And we're putting it to the line.
To the line, we gotta chug as much as we can, and whoever throws up or spit it out loses.
It actually smells like chocolate milk somehow. There's no milk in it.
Do we even have, we didn't even have the cookies. I think
Smell
Bob
it.
ran off with the cookies. It's gonna take no business.
You can smell the Worcestershire sauce. I mean Dale sauce.
Guys, click the like button, and if you want some of this shake, I'll send you some of it. There's plenty to go around.
You're gonna taste the Dale sauce mostly, I guarantee you. First, just a little sip. Just
If you get a little sip, you won't finish it.
yeah, we will. We have to do it like, hang on.
1, 2, 3,
I'm a
go.
professional test taster.
This is what we did the other day. Is it awful? Oh my god, ready? Remember if you throw up.
The camera girl is laughing
Fucking
too
drink it.
much.
You drank it, come on!
I got a whole drink in my mouth.
You gotta drink some more.
No. That's the worst shit ever. What the fuck am I creating? No fucking way I can drink that.
Is this as bad as yours and Evan's and stuff?
This is the worst.
I just peed myself. That's what happens when you have a child.
You're not even that.
What? Peeing myself?
God.
I'm peeing
What
all
is
over the
this?
place.
What we created? Right here.
You still can have this, guys. Take it all. I'm peeing myself. Guys, just take it away. Oh, God.
Fuck. What was that? What was that?
God, oh, oh.
So who can take another drink?
Not me.
John threw up in here, so he says a little bit extra.
I threw up fucking everything. Sandwich.
I'm peeing still.
That was the worst thing I've ever tasted. As soon as it hit my mouth, I was gonna.
I think that's all.
What
He
did we
threw
create?
up. I
What did we-
peed.
What did we create?
A monster.
You
What are you
know?
gonna name it? Let's name it. Let's name it.
I guess since I threw up first, I lost.
Okay, what's
I
the
peed
name?
I
myself.
gotta jump in the pool.
You gotta name it. Let's name it.
Name the shake, John.
The name of the shake is fuck you.
I did too. So it's like, pee
Clear your pockets. Oh.
Ah!
I got boxers on. It's the same as this one I tried. I have to take my Rugrat socks off. Get these right here. Tommy and Chucky.
There you go. You did it.
Ready, set, go.